Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 59. So we are on Unit 5, Free Time. Activity 1, so this is CD2 on track 22. Listen and tick the box. So later I will play this audio. So pay attention to the audio content and then tick the right box. So I play it now.
Workbook, page 59.
1. Listen and tick the box.
Sue, what do you do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I play with my toys.
Bob, what about you?
On Saturdays, I play computer games.
Right. And what about you, Kate?
I ride my pony on Saturdays.
And you, Tim?
I go swimming.
So next we go to activity 2 here. So activity 2, put the words in order. So number 1, so as you can see here, so this is usually uppercase for the first word. So if you can see here, so this is I go swimming on Saturdays and with a full stop. And number 2, I play, so this is a verb. I play football on Fridays. So remember, you need to add s here and then full stop. Next we go to number 3. So I play, we add the piano. I play the piano on Sundays. And number 4, I ride my pony I ride my pony on Tuesdays. And then finally, number 5, I ride my bike I ride my bike on Wednesdays. So remember, you will need to use uppercase here for W. So Wednesdays with S and then full stop. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 59. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed.